Hello, and welcome to this guided meditation to relieve stress and anxiety. For this meditation, you're just going to need a yoga journal or meditation journal, pen and paper, just to record where you're at to start. You can do it lying down or sitting up, whichever you prefer. Lying down just allows you to relax a little bit more. So before you start this meditation, in order to measure its effectiveness, we're going to check in to establish your base point where you are to begin. So just close your eyes and notice what's happening in your mind right now. Are your thoughts moving fast? Are they flitting from one thing to the next? Are they slow and sleepy? Or maybe they're somewhere in the middle. Are your thoughts focused on the future or the past? And it may help to use a scale of 1 to 10 if you like numbers, with 1 being slow thoughts and 10 being a racing mind. Now take a baseline of your body's energy level. Use the same scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being extreme physical lethargy and 10 being intense energy or hyperactivity. So you can open your eyes and just pause the video or the recording and just write this down just to record so you can compare how you feel afterwards. Okay, so once you've recorded your thoughts on where you are, your baseline to begin, you can either take a comfortable seat or lie down on your back with a bolster under your knees for comfort. Take a deep breath in through your nose, let it fall out of your mouth, and slowly close your eyes. Allow the closing of your eyes to signal to your mind and your body that you are moving from an outer directed focus to an inner directed awareness. This inner directed awareness will allow you to ease anxiety and stress. Let your eyeballs relax. Imagine them moving inwards and dropping gently towards your heart center. In this way, your outer sight, the awareness that focuses on things outside of you, becomes inner sight or insight. Breathe in and out through your nose. Allow your breath to be natural and let go of any tendency to control your breath in any way. Feel your ribs expanding at the front of your body as you breathe in. And feel the backs of your ribs sink towards the ground as you breathe out. As you breathe in, feel your side and back ribs expand, almost as if they're smiling. And allow your abdomen, your belly to relax. Ever so gradually and with no effort whatsoever, allow your breath to lengthen. Let your belly be soft. Allow the space between your eyebrows to soften. And let there be space between your teeth. Gently scan your body for tension. And notice if there's any tightness. As you become aware of any tension, notice if it feels familiar. If it's been there so long that you hardly notice its presence. Now completely relax your eyes, your face, your head, your neck, your shoulders, your ribs, your belly, your buttocks, your elbows, your hands, your legs, and your feet. Each time you breathe out, allow any stuck tension in your body to let go. Each time you breathe out, allow any stuck tension in your body to release. And as you let go of more and more tension, become aware that just as you are capable of producing tension in your body, you are also capable of releasing tension with each breath out. So before you come back from your meditation and go back to your day-to-day activities, you're going to take a few moments now to feel the difference in your physical and mental well-being. So notice any changes in your mental and physical baselines that you had before and how you feel right now. Notice if your mind has slowed down. Notice if you feel calmer. Notice if your thoughts have evened out or slowed down even a little, or if they're more balanced between fast and slow. Now check in with your physical body. Does it feel more relaxed? And as you begin to move and transition out of this meditation, set the intention to bring this state of relaxation and calm with you. So your body and your mind want to be in this state of relaxation. So you can set the intention to bring it with you as you move out of it and make the notes in your journal the difference between your state of mind and body before and after. So thank you so much for joining me for this meditation to relieve stress and anxiety, as my thanks to you for contributing to our drone. We appreciate it very much. Namaste.
Melissa would love to hear your questions and thoughts. Please leave your comments below the video.